Wow, these cheap motherboards are so... Circuit boards are so cheap, man. Yeah, I don't know what this circuit board is for. Yeah. Well, looks like we need a different tool, guys. Now let's break all these. Oh, these are glass. Oh, copper. These glass white things on the circuit panel. Doesn't seem good. Huh. See those? Smashed. Missed. Oh, that was a direct hit. Made that thing yellow. Hopefully the camera can see that. Yep, that circuit board lighting up over there. Oh, it's gone stuck in. Wait, is the camera recording? Yep. I'm gonna go hard on this. My hardest swing. Put a massive dent in it. Now these circuit boards are all broken. Now let's move onto the modem itself. First, let's... Oh, wait, is the camera recording and seeing that? Okay, yep, it is. Okay. I think it is. It's golf. Oh! Okay. Front panel broke off. Okay. Why are these panels so cheap? Oh, and of course the panel is made of metal. What? The whole thing's made of cheap plastic, but this part is metal. Hopefully the camera can see this over here. Now guys, I want to smash the other modem here, but first of all it's not vintage and I want to smash it when my cousin comes over. It's so yellow even though this thing's meant to be white. Now Tyler, you have to see me smashing this thing up in like 6 minutes. Actually, yeah, it's all smashed up in 6 minutes. Took us 16 minutes to smash 3 damn cheap keyboards. Yeah. And this is why I never take my time, because it wastes space. need a better tool. Oh, sorry guys. Some teaching me about shit. Oh man. Why's the top so, the bottom so tough? Yes! I was about to give up, but the whole thing just gave way now. You guys can see, the whole thing just gave way. Oh shit. You can see that circuit board. Circuit panels. I'll have to do a bit. Come on, break! Stupid thing going out of the camera. Oh, it's starting to rain.